Subscribe to my channel Swetleena World and press the bell icon so you will never miss an update, and it is totally free. So please subscribe. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Swetleena and you are watching Swetlena's World, and today I am going to create this makeup look, and it is a simple glam kind of makeup look. So it is a bold red lips and a bold eyeliner kind of makeup look. You can wear it in, and I hope you will find this video helpful, and don't forget to watch the video till the last, and I hope that you will like this look. And if you like, then don't forget to hit that like, and also if you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button next to the subscribe button. Also share this video with all over your friend circle. Now let's get started on my today's video. First I am using a primer, and here I am using Nivea Men Aftershave Balm as a primer on all over my face. Next I am using Blue Heaven Florina foundation as a base of my face, and I am going to apply this on all over my face, and next I am going to blend it with the help of my fingers. Next I am using Essence Ka Lip Gloss as a lip balm just to moisturize my lips. Next I am using Olivia concealer, and I have applied under my eyes and beside my mouth. Next I am going to blend it with the help of a unicorn brush. I am going to blending it properly. Next I am using a gel eyeliner. It is from Music Flower, and I am going to take the brush which comes with this product, and I am going to draw my eyebrows with this. Next I am going to use Oddbow eyeshadow palette, and I am going to take the brown color shade, and here I am using Puna Store's Kabuki brush to apply the shade on all over my eyelid area as well as the crease area on both of my eyes. Next I am using Miss Gold eyeshadow palette. I am taking a yellow color shade, and I am going to pat the color with the help of a same brush, and I am going to pat the color on all over my eyelid area just to brighten up my eyes. It is a very perfect color for weddings, parties, night out, so you can wear this all of the things. Next I am going to blending little bit on the outer V section of my eyes with the help of a same brown color. Next from the same palette I am going to take a black color shade, and I am going to apply it just all over my outer V section, and I am going to drag a wing kind of shape on both of my eyes just to make it a sharp edge, and I am going to drag the color on my lower lash line too. And next I am using a pop-up kind of coral color, and I am going to apply on the inner corners of my eyes with the help of a cotton bud. Next I am using Color Essence bronzer, and I am going to use a thin eyeshadow brush just to make a thin line on all over my jawline and beside my nose and little bit on my forehead. Next I'm going to blend it with the help of a unicorn brush, and I'm blending it properly. Next I'm using Blue Heaven eyeliner, and I'm making a bold winged eyeliner with the help of this eyeliner. And it is very trending nowadays. Now I am going to apply eyelashes, at a fake eyelashes on all over my eyes. Next I am using a blusher, and I am taking this with the same Oddbow eyeshadow palette. Next I am using my favorite highlighter on the bridge of my nose, apple of my cheeks, forehead, cupid's bow, chin, and also a little bit under my brows. You can see it now. Next I am using the star product of the makeup. It is Gigi Hadid's lipstick, and it is from Mayblline New York, and I'm going to mention the shade in the description box, so don't forget to check that out too. And big like for this look, and I hope that you guys will like this look and enjoy this video. And if you like, then don't forget to let me know in the comment section. And if you want this kind of videos more, then also let me know in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button next to the subscribe button, and see you again on my another video. Till then, take care, be happy, and bye.